What do you want?
Want candy.
No candy in the morning.
I want candy.
No candy in the morning. Maybe later. You have to finish your cheese, your grilled cheese. No candy in the morning. Early in the morning, mga my guys, gusto nang kumain ng candy. Diba? Hindi pwedeng mag-candy early in the morning. Kagigising lang niya. You just woke up. You can't eat candy. It's too early.
Hey, want candy, please?
I have no candy. I have no candy, please.
Yeah, I want you.
Oh, ask them. Hey, candy, please. Ask. Ask. Maybe they will give you candy. Say something. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
No more. Oy. Turn it up.